Hi everybody, I'm Ryan. I come from the INNORADIA company from Taiwan. We are now dealing with like a special cargo in the manufacture and the design. The use to the traditional cargo bike is like we use the fat tire can carry on the heavy item, and we use the fat tire to make the rider more comfortable. But the one problem is the fat tire cannot ride very fast. So now this year we are going to introduce our new design, the new setting. So now we have a new cargo bike. You can see the size is smaller. It's make people can easy to use in the real life, and maybe even for a female, the size just right, and you can ride it very easy and cross very easy. Even you carry on the item, you can easy to put on your basket. And then this size and this comfortable, we just setting for the new cargo bike, and we can ride faster than the traditional one. For especially, we think if you go out to buy something, I think the back rack or front rack is very important to you. So if the rack, we can do the customization, and we can make it longer or make it more higher, and we can exchange to another customization way you need. So for this point is especially very good for the user. So that's one point I want to mention. And the transmission system, we also have a new design. For this vision, this is not only we put a motor in this one, so this is we can use like an electric cargo bike. Including this one is also including the before that one is all feeder is the same, but now we give the new power from the electric, and then the transmission system also help the electric bike. We can increase more power, and we can have a more gear range to use. So this one we also can carry on a really heavy item and ride very fast, and we can use very convenient. So this cargo bike is we are going to introduce to you. So if you have any interesting about us, the new transmission system, the gear range, any detail, please visit our website or feel free to contact with our company. Thank you everybody, and very happy to introduce to you.